24 January 2026, 12 hours 30 minutes. We found new patents, Your Honor, Judicial Power, New York City. We can observe that the lawfare traditionally is used for intimidation, right? And activism as judicial activism. In the United States, you have the theory as the hard cases, and also you have ponderable interest. But if you can have the ponderation between interests, indeed, you have a common interval. They are not antagonist. They are not in a contradictory. They are not kind of in a due process of law, but in an agreement or deal. In some cases, you have no possibility. It's the all or nothing reading you have in United States as well. We will observe that the second pattern we have at the lawfare is the suppression of our guarantees, especially protective guarantees, essential rights, freedoms, and liberties, by interference affecting any person or flags anything, creating turbulence against the entire market or environment, complaints against the companies that will be received by who is doing the interference. And the was observed, for instance, in Brazil with cases as that was told big tech companies. And having recently the suppression of guarantees, for instance, create a procedure or something like this that become a spectacularization, a reality show of your life and privacy. But get in touch with issues that are really critical and have the continuity of that. Of course, that you can obtain gains by suppression of protective guarantees, essential freedoms and liberties, especially at of the individual. And you insisted on it, considering that it would be really profitable this way. All values resulting suppression guarantees with economic result are criminal economic result must be under seizure. The material is like the pedophile material. It's the same thing. You must have the same treatment, but the production is made sourced in power misuse. It's the assignment of the International Criminal Court suppressing essential freedoms and liberties confirmed the Declaration of Human Rights. The OAS has also the assignment to have that. And you will observe that the third pattern we had is that this kind of situation we have here, the spectral protective field of the individual that in general will do the protection of the individual itself as individual, the property as individual property, the interest this individual have, and the expectation as a prospection of things you have, right? Brazil did systematically the violation of the individual. This is, represented by you. All those things happen inside your private living and yet inside your privacy. But Brazil crossed your private living, your privacy, affecting your interests as defamation campaign, your individual elements as defamation campaign, positioning your interests anti-mafia as a criminal purpose. The property you have destroyed or modified, putting drugs in your vehicle or contamination in your air conditioner, and your expectation of cost that changed. Instead have one bulb in 3 bombed, we have 2 at least bombed in 3, right? Because the behavior was like this, systematically made and incremental, right? Threatening the individual, homogeneous groups of interests and expectations, the mankind itself as consumers. In the same way, we have the providers as architecture framework, for instance, as told Big Tech, that they have many kind of things on it for your individual use, for the relations you have, a social network, and to purchase you do, and finally even as transparency or international, that is part of the citizenship, right? And when you modify the framework, indeed in the very first moment Brazil is really effective, because we are having Brazil and peers as criminal authority since 2022 in Blasey Act, and until this time they are doing the same thing but in different way and deeper level. When you have the modification, poisoning, in the very first moment you did this at the instrument itself. You cloned the Google account, you cloned the ID of the instrument, you steal the password, and in a second moment you decided to do this at the accessibility, the access, the way as access poisoning the DNS, as observed at the tiny city, but also here in Rio de Janeiro. You poisoned the local access network and receive the information affecting the relation. It's a public DNS Google, but the information is not public. The relation is not public. Like the privacy you put in a reality show and make money on it, even creating music, movies, whatever. It's the same content as pedophiles do. You observe that now we cut the connection as the mobile, because they need your chip to connect the phone and have the access to the internet, and yet having the instrument. The three things got cloned: your account and frameworks at the mobile at first, your chip as phone identification, and the instrument itself that has a codification, it has an ID on it. But when we do not use the chip as connection anymore. We do not use, for instance, the instrument as account. The chip put everything down, but they decided to make something even more, criminal and dangerous. They cloned the digital architecture. It doesn't matter if you will be in your mobile with connection through the telephone mobile provider, or as internet provider, or it's a tablet, or it's a notebook. They cloned the digital architecture, because the instrument you have can be a mobile, can be a computer, right? You will log your digital framework, and they cloned this, right? In the middle, receiving the information, do the modification, and put this inside the digital architecture. The project NECBOG Portugal is about FX. This is part of the FX review supposed to be made. Because, as told in Japan, the NEC work with the unwavering process that will create for you the perception as the cyberspace, right? The cyberspace are basically, the instruments you have to present yourself at the cyberspace. In the past, people use it to have at the social talks as chat rooms, presenting itself in a different ways. Then we have the second moment, which is the digital space, which started in the early days of the millennium with the SIMs and applications that allow you to transfer yourself with image and interaction kind of at the digital space. Brazil cloned, and peers in Brazil, the cyberspace by cybercrimes and violation of immaterial architecture. The digital space is nowadays we are having people get married with cartoons in Japan, or digital characters and pictures that do not exist indeed, but they are having marriage on it. And this is kind of the things that have you, the idea as FX control, you have in Japan. We worked with Portugal, considering the control by matrix triple exponential, previously the Akkadian as reading process, considering this cognitive architecture or any other. Indeed, we observe that here we will have three different matrices, right, presented like this, and you will observe that when we put at the Akkadian go this way, right, we call them and they will have some kind of interaction on it that will unveil levels as distortion or noise that are A to B or B to A. And this will structure little by little the pattern of distortion you have inside intervals of cognitive process that can be made by the mankind as human resource or the machine, right? The interference indeed puts something in the middle at the cognitive process. When we are having and feeding this make decision as cognitive process, the interference in the middle, modifying the text to do or the argument we have, or trying to set a new contextualization, indeed are presenting itself as something structured, considering, for instance, 6 cases previously presented, the current case number 7, and the expectation as make decision itself. We will observe that this process here will be affected by a structure as corrosion in the middle that will switch the purpose on it, right? And will have a lot of implications, then including the reliability of the judicial system or the make decision variable in your company. The main point here is you must consider request to the animals from next door. If you filthy repulsive animal made any kind of illicit interference, is it made on procedure? Who signed the procedure? Because when you take a look at the Brazilian Constitution, your respectful honorable judicial power New York City, it's told on guarantee 12 that is a guarantee of any person that it can be touched or violated. The postal service you receive, the data and the communication by phone only with a judicial order. It implies that has a judge signing this. The judicial power is part of the Brazilian state power. It's an aggression and a crime perpetrated by the Brazilian state. We have the autonomy, Article 9.9 of the judicial system to commit crime and suffer the consequence all alone. The interaction between Brazil and the democratic institutions as government that indeed brings the Congress and the government itself, plus the Ministry of States, it's on Article 74, if I'm doing no wrong, right? 74, 76 and 77, with the assignment of the presidential chair, 84, clauses 6, to the organization of the public service that had been committing crimes, with the orders made by the judicial power with the autonomy. But they both solidary in the guiltiness, right? Because the crimes are perpetrated. And you have a responsibility misconduct of the presidential chair on Article 85. That is basically everything made, right? Including the budget, the internal security, and the accomplishment of the law, right? The decisions made as criminal purpose, you can consider a judicial decision itself, but a judicial decision no misuse its power misuse But the judges do not have dignity to ask on resignation or bring themselves related with nepotism and corruption. Generally, we observe like that. So, it's necessary to the International Criminal Court and OAS, by their treatment and assignment they had, put them out, destitute the authorities of judicial power, endorse or request the impeachment of the government in all levels related with, not only in Brazil. And yet having the dismissive order as administration federal, local, and the federative units involved with this kind of thing. This is economic espionage and industrial sabotage and crimes perpetrated by Brazil and peers. As the third step as lawfare, right? We use it. Basically, our humble effort, right? You can have also with the unwavering process. It's an advantage exclusively by NAC-BOG that they have the possibility to get identification by specific arguments you have as person, whatever. And the idea is never the resource itself. The identification by traces as DNA, whatever, is a great thing. The problem is the mentality using, and Brazil has a mentality biased that crime means glamour and economic criminal results are economic results. By this, some GDP like United States seems in big dependence of the criminal groups without autonomy to put them out and have the endorsement against your own people, foreigners, any personal flags, anything. Considering that you have 200 countries involved at the statehood, and at least they are in solidarity ties, individualized as human resource, and at least one flag has the legitimacy to claim the capital penalty against the solidarity group, it goes against one of them or them all. It's a decision. We claim the credit against them all to do the regression and have everything we are offering conclusive in 6 cases, having the back office to the make decision case number 7 about narco-terror, thievery, government that can observe Brazil is really strong on it on peers, on commercial practice as requirement made by NATO. Conclusive, of course, it's not isolated by contextualizing. Have a terrific Saturday.